Myself, Tanmay Saha, and
Pensioner, myself Krishna Kumar.
we are here to represent our presentation on the topic distance and displacement. Where does these two words come from? Distance comes from a Latin word distiana, and displacement come from the word displacing. These two terms were popularized in the scientific literature over many years. Now Krishna will explain you about distance.
At first, what is distance? Distance is the total path traveled or the actual path traveled by an object, and it gives the details of the travel path from one point to the another point. And we all know that it is a scalar quantity, as it depends only on magnitude, not on the direction. And what is vector quantity? As it depends on both vector as well as direction. And the formula of finding distance is speed into time. For example, when a train is moving with a constant speed of 100 km and for 5 hours, then the distance will be 500 km. And the distance cannot be zero or negative. It always be positive. Hope you understand. Now I like to call Priyanshu to explain this about displacement.
Displacement refers to the position from its initial to its final point. Displacement is a vector quantity because it has magnitude as well as direction. Displacement can be positive, negative, or zero depending on the direction of the movement. Of the reference point. Displacement has applications beyond physics, such as engineering and even psychology. It is the shortest path traveled by an object from its initial to its ending point. Now I like to
Now I will give some examples to understand more about distance and displacement. Here is an example. A object moves from point A to point B and then point B to point C. AB length is 4 meters and BC length is 3 meters. In this case, the distance will be AB plus BC. That is 4 meters plus 3 meters. That will be 7 meters. And the displacement will be the length of the AC. We can find it by Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square plus BC square. That is 4 square plus 2 square. AC square is equal to 25. Therefore, AC will be 5 meters.
The first doubt is here. How can we use Pythagoras theorem here? Even though, where do we use Pythagoras theorem? Can you see right angle? So, you cannot use Pythagoras theorem. If it is like that, suppose this is 4, this is 3, this is 4, it is 3, this is 19, then there is no problem of using Pythagoras theorem and answer will be 5 in this case. First one. Okay. Okay, first question from Amit Sarkar. Right? Displacement is 0 and distance also 0. So the case situation.
State is at rest.
And what about displacement?
Displacement will be 0. Both distance and displacement will be 0 as object is at rest.
But object was not at rest.
It cannot happen. Displacement can be 0, but distance cannot be 0 if the object is moving.
Yes. So in which case displacement can be 0?
for example, if an object is moving from a point and it comes that in that point, in that case.
Now, body question. Very good.
Okay, so suppose there is a circular path, okay, circle like a park you think, okay. So our car is moving with the same speed, everything is same in a circular motion. What will be the distance and what will be the displacement there?
You have to, I can do it too.
Yeah.
A question.
Question?
The object is moving in a circular path. What is the distance and displacement?
Diameter of the line.
The object is moving in a circular path. What is the distance and displacement? Right? Next class, Assamese is mixed class. Mixed class.
Yes.
It will be difficult.
If the object is moving from point A and coming back to point A, then the displacement will be 0. The displacement, the distance will be the 2 pi r. If we put the radius, we can find the distance.
But I'm telling that it's moving and moving, it's not stopping, it's just moving. What will be that?
Yeah, it is moving continuously. The car is moving in a circular path in a mela. Or a giant wheel.
Where is stop?
It's going to stop.
It will not stop, like it will just move on.
Hey, question. Ekdom. Hey, hey.
Nice, nice.
The displacement will not be more than the diameter, and that because if the higher displacement
Nice
will be the
point.
diameter.
That's a strong point, right? Yeah, very good point. So displacement will never be more than the diameter. What about the distance?
The distance will be infinite.
Good.
Hey. Oh.
Nice question.
Ekdom.
And nice answer also. Any more question? Good.
In which case, distance and displacement will be same, equal.
If a object travels in straight lines and not return back, in that case the distance and displacement will be same.
You also take participation. Let them also give chance, right? Very good. Next question. Ask. Next question. Anjali? Ask something, man. Make them fall in trap.
Hey.
And you win them points. I told them no, I will give something from my side. Those who have got highest point by questioning. It is for material marks. And the questioning is question area will get marks. Points from there. This is more good. So, we shall summarize. Very good.